So it is a basic Tamiya CC-01 underneath.
Bring in the coffee crawler. Don't run over my finger.
I can hear something and see something blinding me now. What is that?
It's a coffee crawler.
Oh, what do you mean?
What did you think? Did you think I was making it up?
What's this thing up here?
What's right?
This thing.
It's our new coffee machine. Have a look at this crawler. It's got spinners.
Has it?
Yeah, look.
Where?
What do you mean where? Look at the wheels.
Oh, that's two.
Spinners. Who is the man? What's KOPI Panda mean, Panda?
KOPI means coffee, is it?
It's coffee.
KOPI.
Coffee.
KOPI is coffee, mate.
In Asia.
Is it?
Yep. It's all pronounced in different ways. It's still coffee.
Coffee.
I'm struggling with the coffee machine.
What's that? It's a big plunger thing. What do you do with that?
I don't know. I'm excited though.
Clean, keep it clean.
Keep it. I'm super excited. Makes a good noise as well.
All right.
So what have we got here? Come on, Panda. Come on in. We might need to lower it. Do we need to lower it?
This is, what is this? This is an FJ with spinners on it.
Hey, Panda.
There's the Panda.
It's a Toyota FJ with spinners on it. And that's our coffee
We have the
delivery
technology.
car today.
Look at this.
Yeah, so
You're
it's
freaking people out now.
Am I? Sorry.
How did you just do that?
That was too quick.
it's
You're
magic.
giving away the magic of Hollywood.
So it is
Am
a basic Tamiya CC-01 underneath. And it does the job.
They never came with spinners.
Of course not.
I could play with them for hours.
It doesn't come with chameleon paint either, and coffee Panda stickers. But
Which chameleon paints this?
Coffee Panda
that's the
stickers.
Tamiya flip. What's it? Blue green or
Flip.
purple green?
Flip.
Is that the one out of a can?
Oh, it can. With black and
Beautiful.
black.
It's right, isn't it?
Because the job hasn't
Pretty
fallen off.
smooth.
And you've got some drifter lighting on the front. Are they meant to be flashing or is it broken?
You can do anything you want.
Oh, there's sequences.
Where'd you get these mini Yorkie strips from?
That came
The
from
mini Yorkie shop.
Yeah, the mini Yorkie
Oh, is there one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
mini
Yeah,
everything.
you're going to have to give me the address. That look really cool.
You got different sequences if you really want to.
You are a unit, mate.
How are you doing that?
Little button on the back.
It's all very good, but it's not getting coffee in my belly any quicker.
That's all right. So
Look
grab
at
What do I do?
tip that
What are we
into
doing?
the big plunger.
What, all of it?
All of it. We're gonna make it stick down on top.
Almost all of it.
Almost all of it.
Got most of it, huh?
So whack that on top.
Whack that on top.
Whack that on top.
Come on, Panda, get in the middle.
Yeah. All right.
Show us how it's
All
done.
right, what's this?
Can I have a
So
chopstick?
this, can we do this? It's called an aero press.
That's an AeroPress, invented by some smart fella from
Aero.
I think it was America.
So what are you doing now?
So we're gonna put hot water to
Yeah.
have us soak in the
Can I give it a swizzle?
What do you mean, can I? And you just stick that swizzle straight into it. I'm asking permission, after I've done it.
It's always better to. It's always better to ask for forgiveness.
Is it?
It's always better to ask for forgiveness than to seek permission.
Keep stirring for at least a minute.
A minute. Where are you going?
Get some good stuff.
Okay, so you're doing the mixer. Hey, look, it's got a bit of crema going on already, and you got drippages going.
I specialize in crema.
Yeah,
Have a look.
that's good.
We can do it on the overhead even. You can have a look at the crema on the overhead.
Look at that. That's crema.
And this is for the Italians that might be watching
Yeah.
from afar.
Yeah. What is that?
That's how you make a coffee.
Is it?
This is Panda coffee.
Right. So what are we doing
According to the four-wheel drive.
now? So that's just sitting in there.
So did you already have the coffee stickers on that car, or is it?
That was done at 3 a.m. last night.
Oh,
Was it?
what are you doing over there, Panda? He's disappeared on us. All right.
Are you still stirring?
Oh, no, you stopped. Don't want to get in trouble, mate.
I feel he's yelling at me. I feel that it's probably not been as entertaining as I'd like.
What
Are
do you
we
mean?
still on
This
the
bit?
overhead camera?
So if you're done,
Yeah, what's going on? Okay, you want to go back?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're back.
People
How's
have,
that?
people have clearly tuned out.
put the
How's
plunger back in.
Put the plunger back in.
You might have to lower the table a bit if you want to.
Lower the table a bit. What do you mean?
You got to angle your. Depends how muscular the guy is.
What do you mean? How muscular are you? What are you doing there?
You got to push the plunger all the way down.
Until
Yeah.
Oh, until the coffee grinds are bottomed out.
how
So
hard
what,
do you
it's
have to push
it's
it?
got a filter on the bottom, is it?
How hard do you have to push it?
Gentle?
It's pretty hard. Yeah, until all the water's gone.
So is this meant to replicate the pressure of a espresso machine?
Partially. You don't get as much crema as proper espresso,
Right.
but for something that's better than a drip coffee,
Yeah.
it does the job.
How
So it's
many ways?
forcing-
How many ways can you make coffee, Panda? That's what I want to know.
You must have a whole heap of contraptions, yeah?
How many episodes do you want to do?
Oh, really? You got that many? Oh, look, we've got gases coming now.
Yeah, should be good.
Is that for me or the coffee?
I don't know. I can't tell. You're both next to me.
Smells like coffee.
It does. Lucky you there.
looks like coffee.
Lucky you there.
It must be coffee.
All right. So what have we got in the meantime?
All right, drop the whole plunger back in there.
I think Anthony's got a guess on the car for a Mini.
A mini.
I don't think that's right, is it?
There's definitely not a mini there.
Oh, look, he's cutting it now. He's cutting
Let's
it with
cut
some.
it down.
This is lunacy with Panda. Got the chopstick.
And
I'm sure that's
Mr.
not-
Brett wants a affogato, which is
Affogato.
Affogato.
It sounds almost
Sounds almost what?
Asian.
Affogato.
Affogato.
actually sounds like cat, isn't it?
Sounds like
Isn't it cat in some language?
gatto. Yeah, that's,
Cat poo.
isn't that cat in Italian? So you saying this is part cat?
What do I have to pour it into here?
If you can
Is
do
this what we're...
4/4 exactly. and-
Oh, this looks messy, doesn't it? No, it's not messy at all.
Not messy at all.
Explain to me, what's an affogato?
Seems to be
What's that white stuff in these cups?
coffee with ice cream.
Is
Not
it?
ice
Drink
cream?
it first.
Look at that. It's going around. You made 4 of them.
Go on,
Who's getting 2?
go for it.
We didn't count.
We didn't count.
Coffee
Thank
episode.
you.
The episodes always taste better with coffee.
Oh, feel that. We got hot and we got cold.
It's almost like hot and cold, but without it being warm. Is that right?
Mate, you must have a master's in that.
Why?
But you said it so quickly. It's like you've studied it before.
No,
Haven't you?
that's how I do my coffee order.
Oh, is it?
I have a half choc double latte with half almond juice and some soy milk, but I like it hot and cold, not warm.
Hot and cold, not warm.
Like this. We got hot bits and we got cold bits, but we got no warm bits.
Pretty funky, isn't it? So now we've got the fake crema going on. Because
It's
of
not
the ice.
fake.
That's the ice cream that's melting.
It's like a spider.
It is, isn't it? I haven't had a spider in ages.
It's silky like a spider.
Silky.
Where's he gone? I
He's run off.
was gonna cheers him, but he's gone. All right,
Oh,
BJ.
really?
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Episode 130.
1:30 it is.
Coffee with Panda. Without Panda.
Oh, that's right, isn't it? I could drink another one.
I'm like, get in here, man.
There he is.
Cheers.
You good?
Cheers.
There you go.
Cheers.
Coffee
Hey,
with Panda. This time with Panda.
Frost.
Number 130. Going strong.
Thank you very much, Panda. It was an absolute pleasure to have you, your crawler, and your coffee in with us today.
Pleasure.
Thank you very much, mate.
All
Take
right.
care.
No worries.
Thanks, Panda.
Thanks, mate.
Pass that to Stevie, I think.
Oh, he'll love that.
Really?
Yep.